In this video, you'll see how to add video and audio to a page, a YouTube embed in one section, an uploaded audio file in the other, completion rules on both, and AI-generated quiz questions built from a transcript. I've added 2 multimedia sections to a page, ready to fill. Clicking the video camera icon opens the video editor dialog. Paste a YouTube link into the URL field. Just paste whatever URL you have straight from your browser bar or the YouTube share button. Vimeo URLs work the same way. Optionally add a cover image. Toggle Enable Transcript on and paste in your video transcript. This does 3 jobs: accessibility for screen readers and sound off viewing. It surfaces a Show Transcript button under the video on the live page, and it powers the AI question generator, which we'll use shortly for both the video and the audio section. Optionally add a cover title. Update the shadow or corner style if you like and close the editor. The video is displayed in the section and a Show Transcript button is displayed, which can be opened by the learner. If you want the learner to view the video before moving on, particularly important if you're tracking compliance or need to evidence that learners actually engaged with content and not just opened it, click the engagement cog icon and set a rule. The section will not be marked as completed until learners watch the video. Change the completion threshold as required. Quick rule of thumb, 80 to 90% is the sweet spot. Don't push to 100, as silence and end cards could trip learners up. YouTube and Vimeo both report real playback progress, so this threshold is meaningful, not just did they press play. When you enable completion tracking, CourseAgent automatically applies strict watch tracking, so if compliance or audit evidence matters, you're covered. Forward seeks earn no credit. On YouTube and Vimeo, skip time is detected and ignored. On direct file uploads, the playhead snaps back to prevent jumping ahead. And if a learner closes the page and returns, their previous progress is remembered. I'll return to this section in a moment. On the multimedia section below, I'll click the headphones icon. This opens the audio editor dialog. Audio source defaults to audio URL. That's for Spotify, SoundCloud, or Apple Podcasts links. I'll upload an audio file instead. Keep it under 25 megabytes. For longer audio, host on Spotify or SoundCloud and paste the URL. But note those players don't expose progress, so completion fires on first play. If you need a real watched percentage threshold, upload the file directly. Toggle Enable Transcript on and paste the transcript. Same benefits as the video. Optionally change the shadow, corner style, or background color of the player, then close. Moving back to the video section. Click the green sparkles icon on the section toolbar. This opens a dialog that enables you to generate questions from the video or audio transcript. This is particularly useful if you're a subject matter expert who isn't a quiz writer. The transcript does the heavy lifting. The transcript field is already pre-populated from the Enable Transcript field you filled in the editor. CourseAgent analyzes the script and recommends how many questions to generate. You can increase or reduce this number if required. Select your preferred question types, then pick the depth. Recall for facts and definitions. Application for how would you use this, or mixed to blend both. Open rules for this batch. These overrides apply only to the questions you're about to generate, must answer and retry behavior. Useful when you need stricter rules than the rest of the course. Click Continue. The preview opens with every question laid out. Edit the questions, options and answers, or remove a question entirely as required. If CourseAgent returns fewer questions than you asked for, you'll see a note explaining why, usually because the transcript didn't have enough distinct ideas to support more without repeating itself. Better than padding with weak questions. If you're happy with the batch and your edits, click Insert. Within seconds, you'll see the question displayed below the video or audio section carrying the rules you just set. I'll quickly preview the page. You can see the section is now marked as required and will be completed once the viewing percentage threshold has been met. The questions are displayed beneath. One section, 2 formats, real completion tracking, AI quiz questions built from your transcript, and full editorial control before anything reaches a learner. That's the multimedia section. CourseAgent. Guided by instructional design principles with you in control.